My name is Gwen, I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today I'm making for this first episode of this year's Father's Day collection a candle on the theme of campfire, memories of the time when we went to chop wood as a family. To represent fire, I played on the different glows that a wood fire can give, such as yellow, red, orange, but also blue and green, as well as black, for the burn side. But I didn't color anything, I just added touches of coloring, which will be revealing during burning. To send it, I choose a fragrance oil from Smelling Good named Woodfire. I always respect the indication of my producer to know the different temperature for my wax, when to add colors and fragrance oil, and when to pour. I recommend you do the same because different producers or different wax can have a different temperature to work with. I leave you with the video and meet you again at the end. I really like the result. And you, what do you think? I will meet you again very soon for the second episode of this year's Father's Day collection. I will show you how I make a small decorated epoxy resin gift using my cutting machine. See you soon. Bye!